Welcome to Learn English with Story. Today, let's join a grandson on a special day with his grandparents. Let's begin.
We are finally here. This is your grandparents' house.
I'm so excited to see them.
Do you remember the last time you visited them?
Yes, I miss them a lot.
Your grandfather and grandmother are waiting for us.
I can't wait to hug them.
Be kind and listen to their stories.
I will, Dad.
Let's go inside and say hello.
Okay, Dad. Let's go.
Welcome, my dear grandson. I'm so happy to see you.
I missed you, Grandpa.
Welcome, my dear. We missed you so much.
I missed you too, Grandma.
He was excited to visit you today. We are happy he is here with us.
I will leave him with you for the day.
Don't worry, we will have a wonderful time.
I'm happy to spend the day with you.
We have many stories to share with you.
Good morning, my dear. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Grandma. It smells delicious.
I made your favorite food today.
You remembered my favorite.
Sit down and enjoy your breakfast.
I love having breakfast with you.
Your grandma always makes the best meals.
Yes, Grandpa. Grandma's food is amazing.
I'm happy to have you here with us.
I'm happy to be with you too.
Come here. I want to show you something special.
What is it, Grandpa?
These are my old photos from many years ago.
Wow, you look so young.
This photo was taken when I was your age.
Your life was very different.
Yes, we had many simple moments.
I want to hear your stories.
I have many memories to share with you.
I'm ready to listen, Grandpa.
When I was young, life was very different.
What was it like, Grandpa?
We did not have smartphones or the internet.
We spent more time together as a family.
How did you enjoy your days?
We shared meals, visited family, and helped each other.
We played outside and enjoyed simple moments.
That sounds like a beautiful life.
The most important thing was love and family.
I will remember your stories forever.
Come with us. I want to show you the garden.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
I take care of these plants every day.
I also help Grandpa with the flowers.
What do plants need to grow?
They need water, sunlight, and patience.
Here, help me water these plants.
I would love to help you, Grandma.
Good job. You are learning something new.
I had a wonderful time with you both.
Come with me, I want to show you my kitchen.
Wow, Grandma, it looks wonderful.
Today, I will teach you how to make my special recipe.
Really? I want to learn.
First, we prepare the ingredients together.
I will help you, Grandma.
Your grandma has made this recipe for many years.
It must be very special.
Food is always better when we make it with love.
I will remember this day forever.
Come with us. I want to show you the village.
I would love to see it, Grandpa.
This village has many beautiful memories for us.
I want to learn about this place.
We used to walk here when I was young.
Everything looks peaceful.
People here always help each other.
I like this community.
Every place has a story to tell.
I'm happy to hear your stories.
This is our old family house.
Wow, it looks very special.
I spent many years here with my family.
We have many beautiful memories in this house.
What happened here, Grandpa?
We shared many happy moments together.
This kitchen reminds me of my childhood days.
I love hearing your stories.
Houses may change, but memories stay forever.
I will always remember this place.
Sit with me. I want to tell you something important.
I'm listening, Grandpa.
Always be kind and respect everyone.
I will remember that.
A good heart is more valuable than anything.
Thank you, Grandma.
Work hard and never give up on your dreams.
I will try my best.
Family and good manners are the greatest treasures.
I'm lucky to learn from you.
Would you like to play a game with me?
Yes, Grandpa, that sounds fun.
I used to play this game when I was young.
Really? Teach me how to play.
I love seeing you both having fun together.
These moments make me very happy.
Grandpa, you are very good at this game.
Experience helps, my dear grandson.
Family time is always special.
I will never forget this day.
Come and sit with us. Tea is ready.
Thank you, Grandma. I love spending time with you.
Tea time is always special in our home.
I enjoy these quiet moments.
When we sit together, we share stories and memories.
I love listening to your stories.
Family gatherings bring happiness to our hearts.
I feel very happy being with you both.
Always remember to stay close to your family.
I will, Grandma. Thank you for everything.
Look at the beautiful sunset.
Wow, the sky looks amazing.
We used to watch sunsets here many years ago.
This place feels very peaceful.
Every sunset reminds us to be thankful.
I like spending this time with you.
Life is full of beautiful moments.
I will keep these memories in my heart.
The best moments are the ones we share with family.
I'm happy I visited you both.
Dinner is ready. Let's sit together.
Thank you, Grandma. It looks delicious.
Today was a special day with you.
I learned many things from you.
I'm happy you enjoyed our family time.
I really enjoyed every moment.
Sharing meals together creates beautiful memories.
I will always remember this day.
We are happy to have you with us.
Family moments are the greatest treasure.
Grandpa, Grandma, thank you for this wonderful day.
We are happy that you spend time with us.
I learned many things from your stories.
We are proud of you, my dear grandson.
I will always remember these special moments.
Keep these memories in your heart.
Always remember the lessons we shared with you.
I promise I will, Grandpa.
We love you and we are always here for you.
I love you too, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you for this amazing day, Grandpa and Grandma.
We are happy you came to visit us.
I will visit you again soon.
We will always be waiting for you.
Never forget the memories we shared together.
I will keep them in my heart. Take care of yourself and always be kind.
I promise, Grandma.
Goodbye, my dear grandson. See you soon.
Goodbye, Grandpa and Grandma. I love you.
We love you too, dear.
Be safe, Leo.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Subscribe for more English stories.
It was a lot of fun.
See you in the next story.